Water, water everywhere. But how much can we really drink? Earth is covered in water. Yet, 96% of it is saline, only 3% fresh. And India, it holds just 4% of that precious resource. As our cities grow and climate change intensifies, water scarcity has become one of our gravest challenges. But now, a bold step is being taken. In Perur, Chengalpattu, the Tamil Nadu government is constructing Southeast Asia's largest seawater desalination plant. A groundbreaking project with a mission to transform 400 million litres of seawater each day into safe, drinkable water for 6.5 million people. At the heart of this transformation is a silent enabler, HDPE pipes from Jain Irrigation Systems Ltd. A pioneer in piping solutions, Jain Irrigation has supplied the first ever 2,500 mm HDPE pipes in India. Pipes that are leak-proof, corrosion-resistant, and have a lifespan of over 100 years. These HDPE pipes withstand high pressure, harsh sunlight, and aggressive soil, all while staying eco-friendly and maintenance-free. This project, executed by WABAG, an Indian multinational, has two 1,200-meter pipelines that draw seawater deep from the ocean and a 770-meter-long pipeline that sends the post-treatment waste saline water back into the sea. This isn't just a plant, it's a revolution, a promise to a city that once came close to day zero, a step toward a future where clean water isn't a luxury but a right. This is how tomorrow is secured. One drop, one pipe, one earth, one life. All driven by small ideas and big revolutions.